In today's economic landscape, many individuals are seeking additional income streams beyond their primary job. A side hustle can not only bolster your finances but also provide an opportunity to pursue passions and develop new skills. Here are 5 side hustles that can help you earn an extra $1,000 a month. Freelancing offers a flexible option for those skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients in need of specific services. By dedicating consistent hours each week, it's feasible to accumulate enough projects to reach $1,000 monthly. Building a portfolio and securing positive testimonials will enhance visibility and lead to more lucrative opportunities. With the rise of online education, tutoring has become a viable side hustle. Subjects ranging from math and science to languages and test preparation are in high demand. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors allow individuals to set their schedules and rates. By working a few evenings or weekends, proficient tutors can easily earn $1,000 a month while helping students succeed academically. Dropshipping provides an accessible entry into e-commerce without the need for a large initial investment. Entrepreneurs can create an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Successful dropshippers focus on niche markets, utilize social media for marketing, and continuously analyze sales data. With effective strategies, it's possible to generate $1,000 or more monthly. Investing in real estate, particularly through rental properties or house flipping, can yield substantial returns. While this requires some capital up front, platforms like Fundrise allow individuals to invest in real estate projects with lower initial investments. By researching markets and managing properties effectively, many find that achieving $1,000 a month through rental income is attainable. For animal lovers, pet sitting and walking offer a rewarding side hustle with minimal overhead costs. Services can be advertised via apps like Rover or through local community boards. Establishing a loyal client base, especially in pet-friendly neighborhoods, can lead to a consistent income stream. A few daily walks or overnight sits can easily accumulate to $1,000 monthly. In conclusion, diversifying income through a side hustle has never been more accessible. Whether leveraging skills, tutoring, engaging in commerce, investing in real estate, or caring for animals, each option presents unique opportunities to boost monthly earnings. With dedication and strategic planning, earning an extra $1,000 a month is within reach for many individuals.